How to decline a job offer on Upwork. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can decline a job offer at Upwork. Whether you have changed your mind or found a better fit, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process. Also, you can check this website by Upwork on turning down a job offer, where you can see different messages and the decline request template that you can use. For this, first of all, head over to upwork.com and log in into your account. Now that you do so, you'll find the list of all the job offers currently waiting for you on the active offers page. Click on the specific offer that you want to decline. This includes the details of the job such as contract title, job category, bidding amount, Upwork service fees, estimated payouts, and other key information. Review everything to ensure that you are declining the correct offer. Once you're certain, look for the decline offer button right next to it. This is usually on the bottom of the page. Click on it. This will now prompt you to select a reason for declining the offer. This step helps Upwork and the client understand your decision. Choose the option that best fits your situation. After that, you'll have to confirm your action and you're all set. The offer will be officially declined. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.